Express yourself better in 7 steps. 1. Listen to yourself. The first and most important step in expressing yourself is to know yourself. Sometimes, in the chaos of life, we don't hear our own voice. The easiest way to understand ourselves is through our feelings. None of our emotions are groundless. Finding their sources is an important step towards expressing yourself. You should answer the questions of how you feel, why you feel that way, and what you want first, so that it is easier to explain to others. 2. Listen to the other person. Listening to the person you're talking to with attention and care opens the way to express yourself. Because the sincerity and care in your conversation allows the other person to approach you in the same way. Thus, the dialogue you establish serves the solution of problems and the improvement of relationships. 3. Believe in yourself. Self-confidence is also one of the important elements of effective communication. Approval-seeking, fear of criticism, feelings of inadequacy can create anxiety problems in expressing yourself. But remember that these are common problems for all people, even if they are at different levels. Everyone wants to be appreciated, but this is not always possible. If it were possible, it would not be useful. Because a person who is constantly appreciated cannot make any progress. You are changing and developing just like everyone else. You are as ordinary as everyone else, and also very special. Try to do your best, see criticism as an opportunity to develop yourself, and pat yourself on the back. 4. Use I statements. When expressing yourself, focus on your own feelings, needs, and expectations. Blaming the other person or telling them what to do will only make it harder for them to listen to you and may cause them to react to you. On the other hand, when you use I language, such as, I felt bad because of this situation, they will try to understand you and most likely try to change the situation. 5. Be clear and direct. Expressing yourself can be difficult sometimes. However, when you hold back something that you want to talk about and suppress yourself, you will encounter bigger problems related to your emotions. Therefore, even if it is difficult to talk, expressing yourself clearly and stating your wants and needs directly will benefit you. 6. Say no. Most people say yes to thoughts they don't agree with or requests they don't want to fulfill in order not to hurt others or to adapt. However, saying no is also a way of expressing yourself, just like saying yes. Expressing what you don't want or agree with is as important as expressing what you want. Setting boundaries develops your self-respect and self-confidence. 7. Rehearse. A special lie for those who have difficulty expressing themselves, rehearsing before difficult conversations helps to clarify thoughts and express them better. Speaking your thoughts out loud while you are alone makes you feel more comfortable expressing yourself to others.
If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.